Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to cut pipe up to 2 inches. The piece that I'm cutting is about 1.25 inches. This is a cutter. This goes up to 2 inches. It's old traditional. You want your pipe, first of all, to sit right on this teeth. On this wheel, and the teeth is the cutter. Okay? Here's how I like to do it. I like to set it a little snug and just enough to sit in between this seat right here. Okay? You don't want it too tight to start off. You just want to get it to score without slipping. Okay? Give it a little turn. As you're starting to score more, you must give it a little bit more pressure on the wheel. Just like that. Boom. And that's how you cut 1 1/4 inch up to 2 inch copper. Thank you.